أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب يسر ولا تؤسر وتمم بالخير. السلام عليكم. Let's start. Welcome to the class. Sadia Adnan, have you memorized your lines? Can you say them in Arabic?
I asked you to send the thing. I don't think you saw the message.
Oh, when did you ask me, Sadia?
I
No, you're breaking.
recently only, I think 5-10 minutes before class.
Okay, I'll send it to you. I'll send you.
10 minutes before class.
Okay, let me send you the notes. So now let's do the notes as of last week. Okay, so the old notes. We'll start with you, Sadia. So these 3 lines. Are you there, Sadia?
Yes, Aguva. My name is Sadia. Will be Ismi Sadia.
Very
I
good.
study in 9th grade. Adrusu Tasi. I like to play basketball. Uhibu an al-aba Kurata Salati.
Very good.
My mother's name is Fazila. Ismu Ummi Fazila. She is a businesswoman. Hiya Tajiratan. She handles everything in the best manner. Hiya tatamalu ma kulla shay'in bi afzali tariqatin. My brother's name is Adnan. Ismu Adnan.
This will be Ma'a Kulli Shayan.
Ma kulla shay'in.
Kulli Shayan.
Ma kulli shay'in.
Yeah, so after Ma'a, you will have E. It is like after min, after an, after fi, you will have E. So after Ma'a, it will be Kulli Shayan.
Ma kulli shay'in.
Yep. Okay.
My brother's name is Adnan. Ismu Akhi Adnanu. He studies in 6th grade. Yadrasu fi Saf Sadisi. He likes to play games. Yuhibbu an yallaba al-aba. I enjoy playing cricket with him. Astamtiu an al-aba luabat al-cricket to
Ma'ahu. Very good. Brilliant, Sadia. So you just have 3 lines of last week, which we will do next. Now to you, Adnan. How do you translate? How do you say your lines in Arabic?
I was on mute.
Yep.
First, hello, my name is Adnan. Will be Marhaban. Ismi Adnanu. Hello, Sahib.
Yes. Go on, Adnan. So very good. So my name is Adnan. Ismi Adnan. Now I live in Bangalore.
Bangalore. Uhibbu an al-aba al-video game. Video.
Very good.
Then I like to go swimming. Is uhibbu an azhaba li sibahatihi or
Lissibahati. Lissibahati. I can't hear you, Adnan.
Now can you hear me? Hello?
Yes. Okay, so I saw you till here. Yep.
Riyadati al-mafazalatu lu'abatal cricket.
Okay, so what is the first word? How do you say my favorite sport?
My favorite sport will be riyadatihi.
Riyadati. Riyada is sport. When you say my sport, it will be Riyadati. It is not Riyadatihi. Okay, so it will end with E.
Then I don't like Monday will be. Can you go back?
How do you read this, Adnan?
Riyadati.
Riyadati. Okay, there's no he. So it's only Riyadati. Okay, I don't like Mondays.
Uhibbu al-yawmal. What's Monday?
اليوم الاثنين.
اليوم الاثنين.
So how do you say I don't like Mondays?
لا أحب اليوم الاثنين. If you said yeah, اثنين.
Okay, I'm losing you in between, Adnan.
لا أحب اليوم الاثنين.
Very good. Okay.
I think my audio is low. It's not working.
No problem. So how do you say your next? So this line is the toughest line. Let's see if you can say this correctly.
ولدت في الثلاثاء. I think, is it correct? الثلاثاء.
في الثلاثة.
What is it? ولدت في الثلاثاء.
في الثالثة.
19 من أكتوبر عام 2009.
I can't hear you, Adnan.
بعد شو tell صاحبي?
This full line.
Okay. ولدت في
Okay, see. So remember, if you have dal and ta, okay, you will skip the dal. Okay, so you'll read it like as if ta has the sukun. You'll say bulittu.
ولدت في الثالثة عشر من أكتوبر عام 2009.
Okay, again.
ولدت في الثالث. ولدت في الثالثة عشر من أكتوبر عام 2009.
Okay.
اسم أبي أزهر. Is it correct?
Yep.
أبي يدير دكان. No, it is not.
How do you say shoes?
رياضتي. No.
The other is sport. أحذية, no?
Yeah, أحذية.
أحذية. Okay, again. My father runs a shoe shop.
Father runs a shoe shop. أبي يدير دكان أحذية.
Okay, let me just see this. I'm not sure if the answer to this one, which you wrote, is correct.
Okay.
Let me just double check this.
Okay.
Okay, so it's going to be ولدت يوم ثلاثة عشر من أكتوبر عام 2009. So the rest is the same. Okay, so it's just starting where you say it like this. Okay, so
يوم ثلاثة.
ثلاثة عشر. So this is the part we just changed. The even ashara is the same. So this is the part we just changed.
في الثالثة it is يوم ثلاثة.
In fact, I think this will be ثلاثة عشر. Okay, keep it ثلاثة عشرة for now. If there's any change, I'll let you know. Okay, in fact, this is better. Okay, keep it this way, Adnan. If there's any change, I'll let you know.
Okay, Sahib.
Okay, awesome. Now, your 3 lines from last week. Okay, so let me go here. So this is last week.
साहिब वो अब तुम्हें वो सेंटेंस बोले नहीं यौमा सलासता अशरा
Hamma.
उसमें मिन है नामा ऑन का तो अला आना नहीं
No, in the Arabic, sometimes the preposition changes.
ओके
So in English, we'll say on, but in Arabic, sometimes it will change slightly.
ओके
Okay, now back to you, Sadia.
Yes,
Where
sir.
did I write your notes? Okay, I think you left before we made your lines.
Yeah, she did not finish it. She did
Right.
not do it.
So
She
how do
left.
we do this, Sadia? Correct. So how do we do these lines? How do we say we used to live in Uti?
Hmm.
How do we say
Google
live? What do you
Translate,
remember?
it's
on that?
showing
Yep.
Kuna Naish.
Yeah, but how? What do you know about live? We have seen live before. So going to Google Translate, try to see if you remember some of this vocabulary. Do you remember how they say I live? I live in a house or I live in an apartment. We learned this as we started lessons.
आई लिव को अस्कुनु क्या साहिब
Askunu. So how do we say we live?
That will be Askunu because in my sentence also it's written I live in Bangalore.
Okay, but Satya is speaking about her family. And then she says we live or we lived in Uti.
Naskunu? Naskunu.
Naskunu is we live. Okay, present tense. Now, what is the past tense of Naskunu? Where do you think Naskunu comes from? So if this is present tense, we have added the na at the starting. Okay, that's why it has become Naskunu. Like how do we say I went? How do we say I went, Sadia? Or how do we say he
ذهب
went?
to
How do we say Sadia? He went.
Zahab. Zahaba.
Dahaba. How do we say he goes?
Yazhabu.
Yadhabu. Okay. Now, Naskunu is present tense. Okay. It is like Yadhabu. If it becomes we go, it will become Nadhabu. Okay. Now, how do you get the past tense from Nadhabu?
We change the front of the.
Yeah. So, how do you do it with Naskunu?
साहिब नस्को नो नहीं साहिब नस्को मो है नहीं
Naskunu. Right. And so, what would be past tense of Naskunu? Quickly, Sadio. So, look at Nadhabu, look at Dahaba. Now, what would be the base? What would be past tense of Naskunu?
Taskunu?
Again?
Taskunu?
Taskunu. If you say Taskunu, it is still present tense, Sadio. To make past tense, you have to take out this first letter completely. You get Sakana. Look, almost all of the past tense will just be 3 letters, and it will be like Dahaba, like Samia, like Laiba. Okay, like Fataha. Fataha is he opened. Okay, so you have to take out this letter completely. Like the na, ta, a are all added when you make present tense. If you want past tense, you have to take it off. Now sakana, what is sakana? What
He
is sakana?
lived, ma.
He
He
lived.
lived.
So I lived would be sakanna. Like we went. So sakanna would be we lived. Now how do we say we went? Dhahaba is he went. But how do we say we went? You change the back of the verb. This is past tense. So how do you make it we went? How do we say we went, Satya? Look at sakanna. Sakanna became sakanna. What would happen to dhahaba?
Zahabna.
Dhahabna. Are you there, Satya? Okay, do you know where Sadia Adnan?
I'll just check and come.
I can't hear you.
I'll just check and come. Where is she?
Okay.
I don't know. 1 second. In my room. Ahabya,
Yes.
she has to go give something down. Like
Okay.
she has to return something, so she'll just come in sometime.
Okay. So Dhahaba Adnan is he went. How do we say we went?
What is he went?
Dhahaba is he went. How do we say we went?
Habta.
No, Dhahabta is you went. Now Sakana became Sakanna. What would happen to Dhahaba?
Zahabba. No. Zahabna.
Very good. Dhahab, what is Dhahabna?
Zahabna is he.
Is we went. Okay. Dhahabna is we went. Now till Sadia comes, let us do 3 more lines of yours, Adnan. So give me 3 more lines.
Yeah. Okay.
So give me 3 more lines.
Okay, so after my mom's shop. My mom.
Or let us do your 3 lines first. So let us do your 3 lines and then you give me 3 more.
Yeah, okay. Azhabu ila dukani Marian. What is that?
Marrataini.
Marataini fil usbawi.
Usbu'i. Okay.
Usbu'i.
Usbu'i is in a week or in the week. Okay. Marrataini is 2 times.
Twice.
So again, how do you say I go to the shop twice a week?
Azhabu ila dukani marataini fil usbu'i.
Okay. Is there an issue with your headset, Adnan? Because your voice keeps going in between.
No, Sandra, I think it's my laptop because whenever I go in any meeting, they say this, that my voice is too low.
Yeah, well, your voice is fading in between.
Yes, I think that's my laptop's problem. I have to check it.
Maybe it is your phone or your earphone.
No, I'm not wearing any earphones.
Maybe you should
Just my
use
laptop.
earphones. You should start using earphones.
Okay.
Okay. How do you say my father's shop is near the house?
Dukana अभी
Kanu.
करीबन दुकानों अभी करीबन मिनुल मिनुल बैयुती बैती
Again.
दुकानों अभी अभी करीबन मिनुल बैती
Very good. Last line.
मुकाबिलो दुकानी अभी हुआ दुकानों अभी
Ummi.
उम्मी okay.
Ummi. Okay, very good. Now 3 more lines.
My mother has a gift shop. My mom runs a shoe shop. Sorry, my mom runs. My mother runs.
My mother's shop is a gift shop.
No, my mother runs a gift shop. Gift shop.
Okay.
But then one second. My mom has a gift shop. What about the gift shop? You get a lot of
She's a very
What?
hard-working woman.
yeah, she is a very hard-working woman. 1 second, Sahbya. Sahbya, just a second.
Sure, no problem.
One second, Sahbya.
Yes. So in English, you'd say she is a very hardworking woman. In Arabic, you just say she's very hardworking. Okay, because woman is understood when you say she. Okay. One more line.
Yes, Sahbya, I came. Sorry.
Yep. One more line, Adnan.
Yeah, she's very hardworking, and she
I love my mother, बोलो.
तो उनको बोलने बोलो मामा लाइन.
my mother loves me a lot.
She loves me a lot.
Yeah, she loves me.
Okay. You want to do one more line or are you good?
I think I'm good.
Okay.
I
My
think
mother
Sahbya
runs a
just
gift
came
shop.
back. I'll tell her to join. What, Sahbya?
Okay. So my mother runs a gift shop. So let us see.
No.
Let us use vocabulary which we know earlier. So you know how to say
Abhi.
my father runs a shoe shop. Okay. How did you say my father runs a shoe shop?
No, Sahbya.
How did you say my father runs a shoe shop?
Ismu Akhi. Abi.
Ismu Abi is my father's name.
Yeah, so mother will be Ismu Ummi.
No, but you're already speaking about your mom's shop. Okay. So how do you say my mother runs a gift shop? I can't hear you, Adnan.
Sahbya, can I just get earphones?
Yeah, get earphones.
1 second.
Are you back, Satya?
Oh, yes, Sahbya.
Satya, we are doing your lines, okay? This is the second time we are doing. We're doing your lines. So I'm asking you questions and you left in between. Let me know if you're going, so I could move to something else, because see, I'm doing your line. So
We
can you left
give
and
it.
right?
We used to give it. It's mine. We used to live in Ooty. Stop. Give it. Give it. Sadi.
Sahib,
we
yuridu
used to
kato
live in-
kya ma?
Give it first.
He wants.
Wants, huh?
Wants.
Okay. Oh, my father runs a shoe shop में yuridu आया है माँ?
That would be yudiru.
अभी yuridu.
Yudiru.
अच्छा.
Yudiru is he runs. Are you there, Sadia?
Yes, Akhuya. We used to live in Ooty. Will
No,
be.
Sadia, I'm telling you something.
Yes, Akhuya.
This is the second time I was doing your lines. Okay, and you're left in between. Can you tell me if you're going somewhere so I could do something else?
Sorry.
Okay. So we used to live in Ooty. So Sakana is we lived. Okay, so we lived in Ooty. How do we say he lived? He lived is Sakana.
Sakana. So Sakana fi Ooty.
So this would be Sakana fi Ooty is we lived in Ooty. We Ooty. Okay. So this becomes we lived in Ooty. To say we used to live in Ooty, I think you would add Kana, or in this case, you would say Kunna.
You're not there, she shouts at me this much, and then when you're there, she'll talk so slowly.
Unmute
No,
again.
she's like showing me. No. She's using my earphones.
Okay, you guys figure it out between yourselves, or you could go on one connection. Okay, so you could go on one device. Okay, so after Kunna, you'd use present tense. Or we used to live. So it is like the story of Ibrahim alayhis salam, where they used to worship idols. Okay, so the father of Ibrahim used to worship idols. How did we say that? Azar used to worship idols. How did we say Azar used to worship idols? Now we'll use present tense. Okay, so how do we say, because Azar used to worship idols is something that was happening. So it was not once, but it was something that was happening for a period of time. Now, to do this step by step, how will we say Azar worships idols? So Azar was father of Ibrahim alayhis salam. Now how will we make present tense out of this? We said Azaru Yabudu al Asnama. What is Azaru Yabudul Asnama?
Azar used to worship.
No, there's no use to here yet, because Yabudu
Azar worshipped.
worships idols. Now how do you make?
Azar he worship kya Sahib?
Correct.
Yabudu.
So if you say Azar Yabudu, Azar he worships idols, or Azar is the one who worships idols. That's what it means. So it has extra emphasis on Azar. So if you just want to say Azar worships idols, you would put Yabudu first. You put the word first. Okay. Now, if you want to make past tense out of it, if you want to say that this used to happen in the past, you would add Kana. So you say Kana Yabudu Azaru al Asnam, or you say Kana Azaru yabudul asnama. Okay, we'll add kana, which makes it past tense. Now here it is azar, which is why it is kana. If you want to say we, it becomes kunna. So it becomes kunna. How do we say we live, Sadhya? Because you have to use present tense. You've already used kana, which makes it past tense. So how do you say we live?
Kunnu.
Again?
Kunnu.
No. Kunna you've already said. How do we say we live? How do you say I live in an apartment? I live in an apartment is askunu. What is
Askunu.
askunu?
Askunu is I live.
I live. And how do you say in an apartment?
Fi.
Apartment is chakatin. How
Fi
do you say I
shakatin.
live in a house? In an individual, like not an apartment, but individual house. How do you say house? What is house, Sadhya? House is bait. What is house?
Bait.
Askunu fi baitin. Okay. But askunu, you use it when you are staying in a building. Okay. So you say I stay in a house where house is a building. And you'd say askunu where I live in an apartment, or I live right now in a hotel, for example. Okay. So askunu you'd use for staying in a physical building. For living in a place like I live in Bangalore or I live in Uti, a better word. You could use askunu as well, but a better word is to use aishu. Okay, in Arabic there's a lot of vocabulary. So the grammar is very simple. So Arabic grammar is a lot simpler than English grammar. So very quickly you can learn Arabic grammar and the same rules will keep repeating. Okay, like in English we'd say pencil, pencils, but sheep is sheep. It's not sheeps. But in Arabic it's pretty consistent how you use grammar. But Arabic vocabulary is where you have a lot of vocabulary. Like to live in a building, they would say askunu, but to live in a place, they will use aishu. Okay, so better place to live, to say for living in a place, aishu is I live. How do you say we live?
Askunu.
Askunu, aishu are both the same. Okay, now how do you say we live? These are both I live.
Will there be a ta at the starting?
Ta would become
Na.
you live.
Na.
Na aishu. How do we say we?
Naishu.
And what is the word for we? How do we say I? How do we say
Ana.
I am from India? Ana.
Ana.
Now how do we say we? We is nahnu.
Nahnu.
We is nahnu. Okay, that's why for we, you take the a, which comes from ana, and you replace it with na, which comes from nahnu. It becomes naishu. It becomes kunna naishu fi oti. Okay, and the na which comes at the end of kana becomes kunna. The na also be because of nahnu. It's because of we. So here the na gets added at the end. Here for present tense the na gets added at the starting. So it becomes kunna naishu fi oti. We used to live in oti. Okay. Now how do we say I love the weather there? How do I say I love or I like? I like to play cricket. I like to play basketball. How did you say I like? Ohibbu. So uhibbu. Okay. Now what could be past tense of uhibbu? What is past tense of yadhabu?
Zahaba.
Dhahaba. Now what would be past tense of uhibbu?
Haba.
Haba.
It is only habba. You take out the
Habba.
u.
Oh.
Okay. You are left with this. Now he comes when you make it to present tense. So it becomes habba. Habba. Habbu. So it becomes habba. Okay. So habba is he loved. How do we say? Wait, it could be ahabba. Let me just check. I think it is ahabba.
أحبونك يا صاحب.
Well, past tense is alif. So past tense is dhahaba, fataha. So past tense is all alifs in most cases.
नहीं ذهبت كنت عينك يا صاحب.
That is when you add two. But he, here I'm still at he. So I'm still at he loved.
Okay, okay.
So I have to make it I next. So he loved would be ahabba. Ahabba is he loved.
أحب أيضا.
Is he loved. Now how will we make it I love?
أحبوا. أحبوا.
Let me use Google for this.
Habbu.
So I love. Okay. So it becomes ahbabtu. Ahbabtu is I love, but you are saying we used to live in OT, so it will be better that you use we. Or do you want to stick with I, Sadia?
Anything, Sagar.
You have to make a choice.
I'll stick with I.
Okay. So ahbabtu. The weather there. Now the weather is al jawu. Here it's the details, it becomes al jawa. How do we say there?
Hunaka.
Very good. Hunaka. It is a, or Ooty is a hill station. So Ooty is a hill station. Now, does anyone remember how do we say hill? So how do we say mountain? Mountain is Jabalun, and a small mountain is Jubailun.
But mountain is different from a hill, no?
Correct. So let's see Google. So I'm just trying to see what we already know. Okay, so when you want to learn vocabulary, you first use everything that you know, and then you extend your boundaries. Okay, so because if you go directly to something new, you won't be able to link it to what you already know, and you'll forget. So best way to learn is to see everything that you know and then extend for the new information.
Ma, I love the weather there, bolene.
Hama.
Al Jawa, ma.
Al Jawa is weather.
Okay, Jawa only, no?
Al Jawa because it's
Okay.
detail.
Okay.
So if you want to say the weather is nice, you will say Al Jawu because it is
Okay.
subject. But when it's detail, you will say Al Jawa.
Okay. Jazakallah.
Wayakum. So this would be Ooty is a small mountain. Okay, but we want to say Ooty is a hill station. Let's see if Google knows how to translate this. So it says Ooty here. Mahattatun. Mahattatu Mahattal.
Hilku tal de
So
Hilku tal
Mahatta is
de-
station.
station, huh?
It's like train station. So train station, you would say Mahattatul Titori. Okay, so this is like that station. Let me see somewhere else. Let me do. Okay, now here does not say hill station, because if it was hill station, I could have translated this page. Let me see another place.
Hill in Google Translate is showing a Talat.
Talla?
Talat.
Talla is a hill station. Okay.
No, only hill is Talat. His station maybe.
Okay, so we'll just use Talla. So we'll say Uti Hiya Talatun. Okay, so I think this is good. Uti Hiya Talatun. Okay, now 3 more lines are there. Now this was lines of last week. Now 3 more lines.
I studied in
I studied in.
can you give the name, or can I just say like all girls school or something like that?
Anything.
I studied in St. Hilda's.
I studied in St. Hilda's
Yeah.
School. Is this what you want to say?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's telling I studied, baby.
I
Studied, yeah.
studied. Okay.
We wore warm clothes there.
Okay.
I had a lot of friends there.
Okay. Awesome. Now homework to you, Sadio. You'll translate these 3 sentences. Okay. And we'll
Yes,
review
sir.
the answers tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Awesome. Now we just have 10 minutes. So let me just do one thing. Okay, so Surat al-Munafiqun. We'll do a couple of points and we'll stop with the surah. Or let me just take a screenshot. Okay. Okay. So now, Ida ja'akal munafiquna, what does this mean?
When
What
the
is Ida?
hypocrite come to you. When the hypocrite come to you.
When the hypocrites come to you. Okay, when the hypocrites come to you. Qalu nashadu innaka la rasulullah. Now, what is qalu?
They say.
Yes, this said.
They said, but The when will make it
They will
future.
say. They will say.
Okay. So literally qalu means they said. Okay. Ja'akal munafiquna would be came. Okay. Means they came. The hypocrites came. Okay. So I'll say they came. Wallahu ya'lamu innaka la rasuluhu. Wallahu yashhadu innal munafiqina la kadhibun. Now, Allahu ya'lamu. Nashhadu innaka la rasulullah. Wallahu ya'lamu. Now, what is ya'lamu?
And Allah
Knows.
knows.
Allah knows.
Knows. Okay. Wallahu yashhadu innal munafiqina la kadhibun. What is yashhadu?
Certify.
Bears witness.
Bears witness. And what is la kadhibun?
Surely they are liars.
Are liars. اتخذوا أيمانهم جنة فصدوا عن سبيل الله إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون. Okay. Now what is اتخذوا? They took. What is saddu?
They hinder.
A hinder. Or they deviate. Innahum sa'a ma kanu ya'malun. So sa'a is also past. Okay. So, but we'll leave this for now. So we'll just see what is being done. Dalika bi annahum amanu. What is amanu? They believe.
Yeah.
ثم كفروا فتبع على قلوبهم فهم لا يفقهون. Now what is tubiya? This is they disbelieve. Fatubiya is it was sealed. إذا رأيتهم تعجبك أجسامهم. What is رأيت? You saw. إذا رأيتهم. What is تعجب?
Tujibuka is please you. Kya?
Correct. So they
Impressed.
pleasantly impress.
Impressed.
وَإِن يَقُولُوا تَسْمَعْ لِقَوْلِهِمْ. And they say. تَسْمَعْ لِقَوْلِهِمْ. Just you listen. كَأَنَّهُمْ خُشُبٌ مُسَنَّدَةٌ. What is خُشُبٌ مُسَنَّدَةٌ?
Blocks of wood propped up.
Plank
Planks of it.
leaning. Okay. Now we just saw this and we saw the meaning of this. Okay. So we'll stop here. So the rest you can easily extrapolate. Now I'll tell you what happens when you go a little in detail. Okay. And you try to see why things are this way, because these words are there. You can translate it directly. As you go deeper, you could see what words are there and why they are there. So what would be alternatives? So when they came, they said. Okay, so we leave past tense as it is. Allah knows. Now knows, is it past tense or present tense?
Present tense.
Present tense. Okay, so I'll just highlight this. Okay, so this is present tense. Allah knows, this is present tense. So this is something. So just with reference to what is happening or what can happen in future, we have what the hypocrites do the past tense was used. But with regard to Allah, the present tense is used. Allahu yashhadu. Allah bears witness. So this is present tense or past tense?
Present tense.
Present tense. Okay. وَإِنَّ الْمُنَافِقِينَ لَكَاذِبُونَ are liars. Now what is are liars?
Present tense.
No, liars is noun. He is a liar. Okay, so he's a liar means, so in English, I can say he is a liar and he lies. Okay, it means something very similar. But when you go literal and when you go Arabic, these two things are different. So if you say he's a liar, it means he's always a liar. If you say he lies, it is a verb. So what is a quality of a verb? What do you know about a verb? So a verb is either past, present, or future. Right? So I can say he lies, which means that he lies now, but it does not say about the past. It does not say about the future. Okay, that is he lies. That is a verb. But if I say he's a liar, this is gets attributed to the person. So it's like as if the liar is always with him. So it's not past, present, future, but it's always with him. So it's always with him in all forms. But the difference between he is a liar and he lies. Okay. Allah does not say, and Allah knows that the hypocrites are lying. Because if it says are lying, it becomes a verb. But here it is liars, which is stronger. Okay, so he lies is different from he's a liar. He's a liar when you see literally, a noun is stronger than a verb. A verb is very constrained to just present tense, but a liar is there always. Now coming here, they took. Is it past, present, or noun?
Past.
Past. Okay. Ittakhadu aymanahum junnatan fasaddu. What is used?
Present tense. They deviate.
Suppose they, saddu is past tense. This is actually they hindered or deviated.
Deviated, you should write them.
Right. So they hindered or deviated. Okay. This is also past. So when you see they deviated, they hindered, they came, a past is used, which is more mild. Okay, so if you say something in the past, if you say that, look, he did wrong, he could have corrected it. The past is more mild. So whenever something that the munafiqun have done is used, the past is used, which is milder. So it's not exaggerated, but it's like it's being covered up, right? Because this is used like it's past. So maybe they could have improved. Maybe it could have been done only one time. So mild form is used. ذَلِكَ بِأَنَّهُمْ آمَنُوا ثُمَّ كَفَرُوا. So again, they believed, they deviated, a seal was placed. So this is again being used in the mild form. It's the past tense is used. And after either, you could use both past and present forms. It would still be converted to future. That is the quality of either. But what happens in the fourth one? وَإِذَا رَأَيْتَهُمْ. When you saw, okay, so ra'aita is you saw, تُعْجِبُكَ أَجْسَامُهُمْ. So, but what happens with tu'jibuka? They impress you. Is it past tense or present tense?
Tujibu. Present tense. Yes, I have.
Present tense, present tense.
Present tense. They impress you.
Mhm.
Okay. Wa'i yaqulu. And when they, this is past tense. Yaqulu is they said.
Sahabi at 5 o'clock.
Yes,
Present
just
tense
2
exactly.
minutes. We'll just close with this.
Because
Sahib, yakulu present tense, Raja.
Oh, this is present tense. Right. So this is when they say. Qalu would be past tense. It would be present tense. So when they say, so I'll make this yellow.
Qala is qalu, correct.
Correct. So yaqulu is present tense. Wa'i yaqulu is they say. you listen. Tasma liqawlihim. Ka'annahum khushubun musannadatun. What is khushubun musannadatun?
Made to lean. Khushub on the planks, which
Yes.
are made to lean, to support.
Planks, leaning planks. So planks is noun.
Hmm.
And musannadatun is adjective of planks. This is also a noun. Okay, musannadatun has ta marbuta. The moment you say something with ta marbuta, it is feminine and it is a noun. Now, if you see the consistency, every wrong that the munafiqun commit is in past tense. Okay, so it's like it's mellowed down. So it's not exaggerated, but it is toned down. Allah knows, Allah bears witness is in present tense. Okay, and even what the messenger. So this means that their body count, their numbers impress you, which means that the messenger is thinking about them and the impact they will have on the Muslims. So this is something which is being done again and again. So when it comes to the messenger, he gets impressed or he gets overwhelmed, which means that he's always thinking about the effect that their numbers have. And when they say, which means they are always saying, and tasma liqawlihim, which means you listen to what they say, which means that you are concerned about the effect that it has. So when it comes to the messenger, when it comes to the hypocrites, what they said could be less, it could be toned down, but when it comes to the impact on the messenger, he is always thinking, he is always concerned, he always is concerned about the effect it will have on the ummah, and he always wants the ummah to have everything good. When you see this consistency, you could have the past tense which is used here. Okay, same way here. So like they are planks made to lean. Here it is noun, and they are liars. Here it is noun. So you'd see remarkable consistency. And as you go to what this means, and as you compare this to the other ayah, you'd see deeper meaning, which you won't get if you just say the word. But as you go into the past and the present tense, as you go to the noun and the verb, you'll be able to uncover deeper meaning. Okay, which is the whole purpose of us learning past, present tense, learning noun, adjectives, etc. Okay, so this is what going forward you should try to do. So don't just look at the words and their meaning, but look at the tense. Look at whether it is past or present tense. Look at the person. Look at what is further being said and why are these words being used. Why is it not said that they are lying, but what is trying to be said when it is said that they are liars? And this is how you'll get to know few deeper levels of meaning. You'll get to know what is actually being said, which is actually hidden between the words and between the lines. And we'll stop with that. For tomorrow's class, I might be late. I'll let you know. Okay, so tomorrow 12:30 to 1:30, because of some work in the morning, I might be delayed and the class might get delayed a little. So look out on WhatsApp. I'll let you know if there are any changes. Tomorrow you change. Tomorrow no evening. I'll have to cancel. Okay, then we won't have a class tomorrow. Okay, we'll connect next Saturday, inshallah, at 4 o'clock. With that, we will close. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Assalamu rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khair.
Jazakallah khair. Ma salama.
Ma salama.